Time to do your brakes, front brakes in a 2017 Honda Ridgeline. I'm gonna show you how to do the front brakes. All right, so stay tuned. Welcome back, people. Right, let me turn this outside so I have a better angle to work on the caliper, the whole thing. Right here, I will do it right now. There's a screw right here. Okay, I'm gonna hit that with an impact screwdriver because that's the only way you can remove that screw. You will grab your impact screwdriver, put it there, turn it all the way to the left, and hit it. The impact is gonna spin, push in, and spin the screw. All right, 2017 Honda Ridgeline. There it is. Okay. Now we can remove the caliper. You need a 17 millimeter socket and 19 millimeter socket. This one's gonna be 17, and the ones for the caliper bracket 19. All right. Here we go. Still the same size, same length. All right. No biggie. Now we're gonna remove the caliper with a flat screwdriver. Pry it out, just like so. And you know what? Might as well just push the piston out too. You're gonna grab one pad. By the way, the pads come with these clips. Two of them on top and bottom. Now we use this pad to push both pistons because this is a double piston. Put it right there. I'm setting it up. Setting it up. Right like that. There you go. That's how you push it all the way back. Put the caliper to the side. That's the other brake pad. This clip is to let you know when you need to replace the pads. And if it sounds louder, because it's going to scratch against the rotor. If it sounds louder, it's because you need to replace the rotor also, because it's going to damage the rotor. All right, 19 for the caliper bracket. one, two. They're the same size. Caliper comes out. I'm gonna brush this, brush that. I could still reuse it if it was damaged. The brake pads come with hardware. Make sure your brake pads come with hardware. Not all of them come with them. Make sure this guy's going in and out easily. If they don't, remove it like so. Clean it, wipe it, re-grease it, put it back. Like so. Alright, we'll remove the rotor. Like so. Brush it over here. Spray some brake clean. Be good. Alright, now remember this hole. Okay. Match it with this one. So you can put the screw in it. Like that. Put the screw there. This screw is going to hold the rod in position so it's not wobbling all over the place. Gucci now. This is how it looks like after I brush it and I put some grease. Some people don't like to put grease because it collects dirt, debris from everywhere, anywhere. And the reason why they don't like it is because of that. It collects debris and dirt. But let me tell you something though. Brake maintenance doesn't mean just replace brake pads and rotors. Brake maintenance means that, okay, you change your brakes, everything's good for some time, then there's some weird sound coming from it, then you have to give maintenance. You have to clean the grease, re-grease it, lube all the parts, That's what service is. That's what you do in a brake service. All right. Tie this, 19 millimeters. All right, now I'm gonna mount the pads. Like so. That's it. Okay? Do the same with the one in the back. This one goes in the bottom. Just like that. Alright? Now, before we put the clips that push out the brake pad, I'm gonna put some grease. This is the grease I'm using. Ray Bestos silicone brake lubricant. Right? Me, I'm gonna put it around the piston here. It will be a good idea if you brush it. After you brush it, put some of that silicone there. Then here, in the contact points. You could put it on the brake pads also, but it's gonna collect more dirt, more debris. So that's why I just put in these three key points. Now, for the clips, these brake pads have a hole. Okay, two holes in each pad. They're gonna do the job. That's its job. Push out the brake pads. Every time you brake, those clips gonna push it out. Caliper. Put it in there. Have to be careful though because it gets like that. Let me get it right. That's good. There you go. Now I tied it. 17 millimeter. Tighten the snag it manually also, just to make sure it is tight. That's pretty much it with this baby. Now we're gonna put the tires back, go to the driver's side, step on the brake pedal. All right, now you come here to the driver's side, step on the brake pedal. It's gonna be soft. It's gonna start getting hard and harder. See, there's mats right there. Now we're gonna have to go under the hood. How you do that? This is how you open the hood, like that. Gonna come over here. Here's the lever for the latch. Okay, you're gonna need that guy. You're gonna put it over there, like so. You're gonna come over here. Here's the main guy. There you go. It's good though. You don't need to top it off. But if you need to top it off, right here on the cab, it tells you what type of fluid it takes. You see that right there? It says that 3 or that 4. That 3, that 4. Okay. And just put it there. Just make sure it's right there where it says mats. Okay. If you cannot see the fluid, shake it a little bit like that, and you'll see through the plastic. Use a flashlight. Okay. Close it like that. Now road test it. Everything should be good. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. You know where to find me. It's me, Axtuo. If you find this video helpful, you want to support the channel, you know what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. And you want to say anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Also, you want to support the channel more, some more. Right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it. I'm gonna ask you for a tip. Alright. With that support, I will appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And also, with that support, I'll buy better equipment like camera, flashlight, microphones, cam holder, magnets, tripods. You know, so I can make you feel like you're in the first row. You know what I'm saying? Pause. But that's pretty much it. All right. Thanks for the support. Love you. Pause. Catch me in the next one. Stu, Boom. I'm out.